Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to edit pictures or photos on WhatsApp. Now once you've upgraded your WhatsApp or updated your WhatsApp to the latest version, there's some new features that have come up. Editing the videos, editing photos or pictures has also changed. So now say I want to edit a photo. Let's say I want to send a picture to this particular person. So tap on this as usual. Before you tap on the chat, tap on the attach button here, tap on the picture. This is a pen icon by the bottom left, tap on it, and now you can edit it by putting in those stuff. You can also add text, tapping on this T, add emojis and stuff. Can crop it, and that's it. So once you're through, send it. It's as simple as that. Now you can also take pictures and have them added. You can add stuff to the pictures you take. For example, tap on the camera. Now I can change the background of this at the bottom here. You see these options for effects. Tap on effects. You're allowed to use filters, background. Let's try the background. It's really nice. There are different types. So we have background, then you can edit by first tap on the frame icon, then you press send. It is as simple as that. That is how to edit pictures or photos on WhatsApp. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.